In this video, I'll show you how to use Shift Lock in Roblox while playing on a PS5 with a keyboard and mouse. So let's get started. First, make sure your keyboard and mouse are properly connected to your PS5. Once you're set up, go ahead and launch Roblox and enter any game that supports Shift Lock. When you're in, press the Escape key on your keyboard to bring up the menu. Next, click on the Settings tab. Look through the list until you find Shift Lock switch. When you see it, go ahead and toggle it to on. That's the setting that allows you to use Shift Lock while moving your character. Once that's enabled, press Escape again or click Resume to get back into the game. Now all you have to do is press the Shift key while moving, and the camera will lock behind your character just like it does on PC. However, you should be reminded of the following limitations and considerations, since some games have Shift Lock disabled by the developer, making it unavailable regardless of your settings. Also, even with keyboard and mouse, certain features like Shift Lock might not function as they do on PC due to console limitations.